Hi, I'm Dr. Janet Crain, and I am going to be presenting a 1 hour presentation on really self-care. It can be called a lot of different things, but basically, with the COVID cloud hanging over all of us, it's really important that we nurture ourselves, that we branch out, that we stay grounded. And what am I talking about? Tree reading. For all of you that know me, this is a really exciting time as I've shifted my emphasis to you, the provider, the person that's going out in the world to help other people. It's affected us all, the changes that have gone on in the world around us. But the ability to get insight into your own personality, your own needs, the ways that you can nourish yourself is more important now than ever. And it's fun, it's easy, it's not threatening, and no artistic ability is necessary. All you need to do is you come to this class and you're going to draw a tree. And then what we're going to do is go step by step and see what you're rooted in, what grounds you, what past experiences have traumatized you, what's your way of defending yourself against the outside world, how can you branch out better and more expansively, how does the outside world affect you. By looking at all those factors, we are going to make an intention, an action plan, a new way of viewing things, and a way to really, really get more self-understanding and understand what your inner voice is telling you. And when changes have to be made, you and I both know it's difficult to make changes, but we can substitute one thought for another thought and really come out of there with a new growth, with new expansion, with new possibilities. And I think now more than ever, we need that. So come, join me for 1 hour in tree reading. And the only way that you can really experience this is by being there in person. It's fun, it's exciting, it's not threatening, and you will leave there really, really feeling rejuvenated and ready to have a big growth spurt. I'll see you then. Bye.